Hi, I'm Ahsan and I'm from the interior batch of 2022, and I'm going to talk to you about my project called Zaki. Zaki came about when a problem arose where Muslims are often perceived as boring people. And most often Muslims are perceived this way because when they reject the offer of alcohol at a party, they are often hit with the question of what do you do for fun? As to counteract this problem, I looked into what's called Sunnah activities in Islam. To explain to you what Sunnah activities is, it's basically the acts of the last Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The follow-up acts of his are known to give spiritual and physical benefits to Muslims. So taking a look at some of the activities that he did, to list out a few: jousting, swimming, archery, running, etc. So these activities in itself were incorporated in my space to create a community-like structure within my building, so young Muslims can band together to not stray from the teachings of Islam and to have fun in the halal way, aka permitted ways. Right. As for the concept of my space, it was mostly derived of Islamic architecture, early Islamic architecture, and the most prominent feature of Islamic architecture was Islamic geometry. Now, these geometries were formed from basic shapes such as circles, triangles, squares, and whatnot. So, taking a look at these basic shapes, I constructed triangles to create an intricate pattern. Now, these patterns were incorporated into my space in various ways, through form and tile work. As for the materials came about from early Islamic architecture as well, such as the earth itself in abundance, which is sustainable, and these materials were incorporated into my space in a much more modern-like manner, like in example, brand earth. All in all, the space was created so that young Muslims would have a place to go to and not stray from the teachings of Islam, and to not pay attention to Western portrayals of what fun could be. Thank you.